Okay, this is what we call the idiot.
I'm handy capable.
And the thrower.
Can't do it.
Okay. This is test number 1. You can't hit me. Yeah, no. You have to push me. Yeah. One at a time.
And he did.
Round. Okay, Chloe's turn.
Woo! I don't want to go, guys.
You get to go next. Justin's turn.
Woo!
This one's gonna eat snow.
Redo. That's a redo, Justin.
Every time you don't do it right, you redo it twice.
No.
Okay,
Unless he gets hit.
this time you can do it once more. Go. You have to keep going. We're on 2.
No, I don't want to get hit.
You're
Okay,
okay,
I'm going to be fox
I'll go.
again. I'm a fox, everybody. It never works.
Okay, I'll go. 'Cause I'm not a person.
Superman! Oh, you dummy. It's my ear.
Hey, look at Apple.
Look, is my ass wet red?
Can I see my balls?